So as you can see, we're not going anywhere. So this just happened. We're on our way to view the property, and I guess we're not going anymore. Someone on their farmyard opened their gate and we were going past, and this is what happened. They opened it into the road. Kids are a bit shaken up and scared. And that's where the gate is over there. It's taken a lot of the car. That's the end of this car. I wouldn't be going anywhere. This is so annoying. What happens now? I don't know. Continuing on. This is the remainings. This is the gate that was opened into the road. Sorry, there was a bit of an accident with our car. Yeah, he opened the gate into the road and yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. He's on the phone.
Smash the engine.
Is it?
Yeah. Can't even move.
And he's on the phone. I did take it on the video though.
Yeah.
Now we've caused a traffic jam.
Yeah.
Okay.
Even start.
As you can see, the hinges are supposed to be opened inwards that way rather than into the road, but it was in the road. See? The engine was taken out as well, so the car is not going anywhere. That's the end of the car. And that's the end of the viewing too. When it rains, it pours. Fortunately, everyone's alright. The kids are a bit shaken up, but they're okay. Obviously, it happened on the side of where the kids are sitting. We heard like a pop, an explosion, and then it started to smoke. see it better this side.
You're right, yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
To be careful because the
engine.
is that oil or
There's smashed up the engine in. Don't look at that. Straight to the engine. Coolant leaking. Even if you wanted to, you wouldn't go into the tank. Alright.
Oh yes.
But again, it's just one of those things where it's not fair. It's just, again, it has to be the land.
I don't know what happened because it was quite windy when I was doing the fence.
Yeah.
It was a little bit windy. I don't know. You can
Maybe
see
it
that
must,
one is,
yeah.
Yeah, it may have swung because of the wind.
It did swim.
Yeah. Okay.
well, thanks God your children.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because it's on the side of where they are.
Yeah. It's just.
And if it was any higher, it would have gone through the window.
Yeah.
Smashed in.
Yeah. Okay.
So what I'll do, I'll keep in touch with my insurance and everything.
The farmer, it seems, or some employee is looking to secure their gates now. Looking to take it off. It looks like they're taking it off the hinges.
Are they?
Yeah. Oh, I can't see. Hello everyone and welcome back to From City to Country.
Don't even bother with me.
It's been a while and I hate coming back here like this. It's been a while. I'm laughing now, but I wasn't laughing earlier. But yeah, we were basically on our way to view a property. And yeah, the weather's not all that great. It's been fairly windy, rainy, very mucky about. But yeah, we're making our way on this country road. We see part of it. And there was a farmer's employee of this farm transporting some sheep. And the sheep are there. They're there now. And he was finishing up, and then this gate, like this one here, swung open into the road. That's the gate you see there. The reason why it's there and we're still here is because the gate swung open just as the time we were driving. So it swung into the road. There was nowhere to swing to get out of the way of the gate. It's a metal gate, so it's done some damage, as you can see. This is the side of the car where the kids were sitting. So we had Jeremiah here and Ellie at the back on this side, and it happened on this side. This gate is what came off. It has done like a lot of damage. As you can see, the headlights completely gone. we had a look inside the engine, and that is completely gone as well. It's completely gone. It was smoking earlier. We can see that some of the coolant leaking out. You can see some glass from the headlights. But yeah, the cam belt, everything, yeah, it's gone. The car is not starting. We can't go anywhere. Yeah, that's the end of this car. Now, we would have had another car, but we don't anymore because yesterday we sold it. However, it's still with us and it's due to be picked up. So once that's picked up, we won't have any car at all. And we live in the countryside. So that's a bit of a problem. That's a bit of a problem. But yeah, here is the parts of the car that came off all along here, all along there. We got up to about there where we made a stop with the car, and we had some people that was coming up on the road a few minutes later to help us bring the car, roll the car. They helped us push the car out of the way so the road is clear for other vehicles to pass. But yeah, the farmer, it seems he came to take the gate off of this pole here, and they put it to the side. As you can see, the wind is blowing, and you can see it's only a piece of string that's holding this gate. You can see that? Yeah. So that is this gate. Although this gate, the string had snapped off, the string is still there. This gate is straight, and this gate got deformed due to our car hitting it. So because it was going to be such a long journey, probably about 2 hours, we have some food in the car to keep us going until the RAC can pick us up and tow our car back home or something. Don't know what's going to happen to this car, but yeah. TK said it's a write-off.
The engine is damaged.
The engine is damaged.
Cam belt snapped.
Cam belt snapped.
The radiator snapped.
Oh, did it? The radiator snapped.
Coolant leaked.
Coolant is leaking.
Probably oil leak.
Oil leak.
Gearbox probably gone.
Oh, gearbox. Yeah, it's definitely not going anywhere. So, oh, it looks like he's repairing his gates.
Yeah.
He's repairing his gate. Wow.
Oh, okay.
Wow. They're repairing their gates. As you can see, there's the deformed gate over there. Over there. And this is the new gate that tractor just brought in. And they're replacing that here. Thank God for technology, eh? For evidence. Otherwise, we'll be up a creek without a paddle, as TK likes to say. You can probably see the gate behind me here. The gate is supposed to be swinging into the land, not out into the road. This is the opposite side of where we got hit by the gate. Yeah, but it's supposed to be inwards, not outwards. And it's just really weird that the gate would have swung into the road. I mean, but anyways, the farmers are currently fixing the gate. They have to fix the gate, I suppose, because they've got livestock on their field, so the livestock doesn't get away. But yeah, there's the gate. And it swung into the road. It's very dangerous. It could have been somebody else in a smaller car and it would have been fatal to them. But it's only because this car has risen so high that it was not a fatal event, but it would have been, especially for Jeremiah, as he is at the front, and Ellie would have been hit too, but not as badly as Jeremiah would have been. But yeah. Yeah. Horrendous. They're now putting the deformed gate into the back of the lorry. And then they put like a little metal bar there to keep it from swinging into the road. But yeah, they're removing the gate. We had put something to stop the gate before they took it off, to prevent it from swinging back again into the road, just in case, like, we didn't want it to happen to another car. Yeah, so they've sorted that now. Had it been a smaller car that we were in, it would have been a very different scenario. If we were not in this 4x4 and we had used the other car, which is a hatchback, the kids would have been knocked out by that gate. It's only by the mercies of the Lord that
It could have gone to the windscreen.
it could have gone to the windscreen. Had it been any higher. It was on a hill. We were going up an incline and the gate swung into the road. When the wind blew, it wasn't secured. It's supposed to open inwards into the land, but it opened outwards into the road. And by the time it was out, there was no way of stopping. We would have gone into a hedge or into the other side, which has more metal gates. But fortunately, the employee was there. He was sorting out the gates at the time, and I guess it got away from him. He said he thought we saw it. Don't know how he could think that if it just if it just literally just swung into the road at the last second. But yeah. So yeah, right now we're waiting to be collected or recovered or rescued. So we won't be able to go and view today. Hopefully we don't lose out on this property, because we would very much like to move from where we currently are at the moment. When it rains, it pours, eh? If you guys only knew what was going on behind the scenes, the amount of things that's been happening. It's being hit from left, right, and center. Sometimes it seems as if we can't get a moment's breath, you know? But God is good. It could have been a very, very sad situation right now. I mean, it's still sad, but we're all alive, uninjured. The kids were just shaken up and scared and confused, but yeah, they're probably confused now why we're not moving anywhere. Yeah, fortunately, what we like to do before we leave the house is pray in the car, and we believe that prayer is really the saving grace right now, that no one's injured. And we praise the Lord for that. Now we just have to find a way to get around quickly. Yeah, so that's the update for now. Anyways, this is a short one. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care and God bless. And please keep us in prayer. Thank you. Bye-bye. So now they've secured it. They put on a new gate. They've just taken it away. They put that metal bar there. So after 2.5 hours of waiting, the recovery truck finally showed up, and he made us aware that we actually, in fact, needed to call a taxi as they were unable to take us home. And our house is probably about 5 to 10 minutes away from the spot. We can literally see our house over the horizon, well, near the horizon. But fortunately, my brother was around to come pick us up via the car that we had already sold and waiting for someone to come pick up, which is that white car over there. Yeah, fortunately, the Lord made it so that my brother was working a late actually that day, when usually he'd be working earlies. So if he was working early, we wouldn't have had anyone to come pick us up, and we might have to be waiting a little while longer for a taxi to come and pick us up. Here we are saying goodbye to our only car now forever. It's going to the scrapyard because it can no longer be used. What we're going to do now, we don't know, but the Lord will provide as he has provided many times before, we believe. We may be carless at the moment in the countryside, but the Lord will make a way. We just wait on him to show us what to do next. As for the property that we were going to view, I made contact with the owner of the property, and we're going to have to arrange to have a viewing via a video tour that they take and send to us. That's how we're going to have to view this land for now, because we're not able to go and see it. We actually had another viewing the day after this, but we won't be able to attend that viewing either. Also, we're not going to get a courtesy car because it's a write-off car now, and they typically don't give courtesy cars if the car is a write-off. So yeah, because there wasn't another car involved, and it was the farmer's piece of land, we're going to have to go down the public liability route. So we told the insurance, and the insurance is going to make contact, I suppose, with and sort out what needs to be sorted out with the public liability, and then we'll have to take it from there. It's the next day. We've resulted to having to use our bike to go to the shops. No car, no problem, I guess. Good exercise. See you soon, babe. Let me help you. Bye. Keep in touch. And there he goes.